Good morning, children. How are you all? You all are good? So, children, today let's start our session with a prayer. Okay? So, children, join your hands and repeat the prayer along with me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. Once again repeat the prayer, children. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Very good, children. So, children, let's start with your literacy subject. Okay? Till your last literacy session, we have learned till which alphabet? कौन सा alphabet हमने last session में किया था? Alphabet Y, right? So now we will practice the last alphabet, that is Z. Okay? What comes after Y? Z. Okay? So how we are going to practice? First we will see the uppercase alphabet Z. Okay? First you have to draw one sleeping line, then slanting line towards left, again one sleeping line. Okay? This is your uppercase, that is capital alphabet Z. Okay? Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line and again sleeping line. Okay? Then for your lowercase letter Z, you have to practice in the same way. Sleeping line, slanting line towards left, again one sleeping line. Okay? Sleeping line, slanting line towards left, again one sleeping line. But children, for this uppercase and lowercase, आपको लगता होगा कि ये दोनों तो एक जैसे दिख रहे, but there is a difference between the lines, blue line and red line. Okay? Red आपको uppercase अल्फाबेट Z के लिए आपको रेड लाइन से स्टार्ट करना है और लोअर केस लेटर Z के लिए आपको ब्लू लाइन में ही लिखना है. ओके? आई विल शो यू हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस ऑन द लाइन्स अपर केस एंड लोअर केस इन योर लिटरेसी स्किल शीट्स बुक. ओके? So children, this is your literacy skill sheet book. In this book, we will practice uppercase and lowercase letter Z. Okay? In this book, open to your page number 133. Okay? So on this page, you will practice first the uppercase, then the lowercase. Trace the letter with pencil and say it aloud. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay? See, first in the first line we will practice uppercase and then in that is capital, and then in the second line we will practice lowercase, that is small. Okay? So for uppercase you have to start from the red line. First draw one sleeping line, then slanting line towards left, bottom blue line तक टच करना है. ओके? फिर इस सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पे ही आपको स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाना है, नीचे वाले रेड लाइन पे टच नहीं करना है. ओके? नाउ लुक हियर अगेन. स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट, स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके? इन दिस वे you will practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet Z. Okay? Now lowercase letter Z. Over here you don't have to touch both the red lines. दोनों रेड लाइन्स को, ऊपर वाले नीचे वाले रेड लाइन को आपको टच नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू टच ओनली द ब्लू लाइन्स. ये सिर्फ ब्लू लाइन को टच करते हुए आपको इस तरीके से लिखना है. फर्स्ट ब्लू लाइन पे स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, फिर सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन पे स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, सिर्फ इस ब्लू लाइन पे ही लिखना है आपको. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू टच बोथ द रेड लाइन्स. अंडरस्टूड? In this way you have to practice uppercase, that is capital alphabet Z, and lowercase, that is small letter z. Okay, now over here paste the stickers of the things starting with letter Z. Zip, 0. Okay, from where you will get the stickers? From the back side of the book. You have to take the stickers and then you have to paste it over here. Okay children? So children, you all can see that I have pasted the stickers of the things starting with letter Z. Z for zip, Z for zip, Z for 0, Z for 0, Z for zinnia, the name of the flower, zinnia. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Okay, in this way you will complete this page number 133, first practicing the letter Z and then pasting the stickers and reading the words. After this, turn to your next page, page number 134. On this page, what you have to do? Read the given words loudly, the words starting with the letter Z. Okay, so let's start. Z for 0, Z for 0, Z for zoo, the place where the animals stay. Over here, zoo, Z for zoo, Z for zigzag. Okay, ये जिस तरीके से ये वे है, जो रास्ता है, इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? zigzag. Okay, then Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Okay, Z for 0, Z for zoo, Z for zigzag, and Z for zebra. Okay, in this way you will read the word starting with the letter Z on page number 134. Okay, then after this, come to the next page, page number 135. What you have to do here? You have to tell me. Yes, in the blue boxes you have to write uppercase, that is capital Z, and in the pink boxes you have to write lowercase, that is small letter z. Okay, write the first letter of the following in capital in blue boxes and in small in pink boxes. First complete this page, then we will read the words. Okay, so children, you all can see that I have written capital, that is uppercase alphabet Z, in these blue boxes, and lowercase, that is small letter z, in this pink boxes. In this way you have to complete this page. Okay, now let's start reading the words children. Z for zip, Z for zip, Z for zebra, Z for zebra, Z for zucchini, vegetable, Z for zucchini, Z for zoo, Z for zoo, Z for 0, Z for 0, Z for zigzag, Z for zigzag. Okay, in this way you will complete this page number 35. Even you have to practice reading also. Okay, then after this, turn to your next page, page number 136. Color the animal and write the first letter of its name in the given box. Tell me, what is the name of this animal? Zebra. Good. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to color this animal. Okay, आपको इसे कलर करना है with its ओरिजिनल कलर. जीब्रा जो कलर का होता है उसे आप उसी से आपको कलर करना है. ओके, यू डोंट हैव टू यूज रेड कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, पिंक कलर, ये सब कलर्स मुझे नहीं चाहिए. यू हैव टू कलर द ओरिजिनल कलर ऑफ द जीब्रा. ओके, आपको जीब्रा को कलर करना है. एंड टेल मी व्हाट फ्रॉम विच लेटर द वर्ड स्टार्ट्स. Z for zebra, right? हमने पढ़ा ना अभी, Z for zebra. So in this box, small box which is given on the right side, you will write Z. Okay, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्लैंटिंग लाइन, स्लीपिंग लाइन. ओके, इस तरीके से बड़ा सा आपको Z लिखना है. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रेन? Z फॉर zebra. ओके, in this way you will practice these pages for letter Z. Okay, so children, I hope you all understood which all pages you have to practice in this book today for letter Z. Now after watching this video, take out your literacy skill sheet book and start practicing. Okay, thank you.